Welcome back. Now today's chapter is very important for making your English sound natural. Till now we talked about nouns, but if you keep repeating nouns again and again, your English starts sounding robotic. So today we fix that. We learn pronouns, the tool that makes your English smooth, clear, and natural. Why pronouns exist? Let me show you something. Rahul is my friend. Rahul is very kind. Rahul lives near my house. Sounds repetitive, right? Now listen to this. Rahul is my friend. He is very kind. He lives near my house. Much better. So why do pronouns exist? To avoid repetition, to make sentences smoother, to make speech natural. This is how real people speak. What is a pronoun? Real concept. Now, the real concept, a pronoun, replaces a noun, but more importantly, it refers to something already known. Example, Rahul is here, he is waiting. He works only because we already know Rahul. So pronouns depend on context. Without context, pronouns doesn't make sense. Pronoun is equal to reference. Now think of pronouns as pointers. Every pronoun points to something. Example, the dog is barking. It is loud. It is dog. So, whenever you use a pronoun, ask yourself, what is it referring to? If that is not clear, your sentence becomes confusing. Types of pronouns. Overview. Now let's see the types. We have personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, relative pronouns. Don't worry, we'll understand each one simply. Personal pronouns. These are the most common ones. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. These are used in almost every sentence. Example, she is reading. They are playing. These replace nouns directly. Example, Rahul is here. He is here. Subject versus object pronouns. Now, this is very important. Subject pronouns. I, he, she, we, they. Object pronouns. Me, him, her, us, them. Example, she likes me. I like her. Many people confuse this. Wrong. Me went there. Correct. I went there. So always check. Is it subject or object? Possessive pronouns. Now, ownership. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Example, this book is mine. We are not saying those book again. We already know. So pronouns save repetition. Reflexive pronouns. Now Reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself. These are used when subject is equal to object. Example: I hurt myself. I did the work myself. It shows the action comes back to the same person. Demonstrative pronouns: now pointing. This, that, these, those. Example: this is my phone. Those are my friends. These is near. Those is far. Very simple, but very useful in daily speech. Relative pronouns. Now this is important for advanced sentences. Who, which, that. Example: the boy who is running is my friend. Now you are combining ideas. Without it, the boy is running, he is my friend. With relative pronoun, one smooth sentence. This is how English becomes fluent. Pronoun clarity, very important. Now one big problem: unclear pronouns. Example: Rahul met Aman. He was late. Now tell me, who was late? Rahul or Aman? We don't know. So pronouns must always be clear. If not, your sentence creates confusion. Common mistakes. Let's fix real mistakes. Mistake 1. Wrong subject oblique object. Wrong. Me did it. Right? I did it. Mistake 2. Overusing pronouns without clarity. Mistake 3. Using wrong form. Wrong. Hers book. Right. Her book. The book is hers. These small mistakes reduce your confidence. Real usage practice. Now let's improve. Rahul has a car. He has a car. The girl is happy. She is happy. The team won the match. They won the match. Now your sentences are shorter, smoother, natural. Conclusion. Let's wrap this up. Pronouns: reduce repetition, improve flow, make English natural. But remember, pronouns need clarity. If your reference is clear, your English becomes strong. So from today, don't just use pronouns, use them correctly.